In the thriving manufacturing hub of the Pearl River Delta, Yuehuaxin Hardware Products Company, Limited in Shun District, Foshan City, has been deeply rooted since 2000. With a factory area of over 6,000 square meters and 4 large production workshops operating in an orderly manner, this is not only a manufacturing base for cold rolling mills, but also the birthplace of precision and durability. After 20 years of trials and tribulations, we have always adhered to the original intention of quality as life, reputation for development. From Yuehuaxin to Yuehuaxin, the name has changed, but the pursuit of excellence has never changed. We deeply understand that a solid foundation is the starting point for carrying all glory. Entering the core of Yuehuaxin, we are a high-end forging steel cold rolling mill enterprise that integrates design, research and development, manufacturing, and service. We not only manufacture products, but also have complete independent intellectual property rights and core technologies from machining to heat treatment. This is one of the few cutting-edge factories in Foshan that truly achieves the integration of machining plus heat treatment. Advanced production and testing equipment, combined with our accumulated deep experience in special steel grades, have jointly created outstanding characteristics of product anti-peeling, high surface hardness, and strong roll toughness. It is precisely this ultimate focus on core processes that has enabled us to successfully increase the usage rate of our customers' rolling mills by 30%, helping them occupy the mid to high-end market with stable quality consistency. But what Yuehuaxin provides goes far beyond products. We are committed to becoming a strategic partner for customer development. From guidance on the use and maintenance of rolling mills to professional failure analysis and detection services, we provide full life cycle technical tracking and adaptive improvement solutions. With a stable delivery time of 60 to 90 days and an integrated and rapid response to demand within Guangdong province, we fulfill our commitment of customer first with efficiency and integrity. We are willing to work hand in hand with our customers to empower your production efficiency and product quality with our reliable products and comprehensive services, share win-win situations, and create a better future together. Yuehuaxin, crafted with ingenuity, moves forward with precision.